Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I am going to talk about some of my favorite art purchases from Amazon, and I also have one tech favorite that I'm going to throw in here on the end. But I will go ahead and get started. First up, I've really been using this a lot. This is a travel case that I use for my brushes here. And that way your tops don't get all bent and they're nice and protected, especially because some of these watercolor brushes could be a little pricey. And I may have shown some of these in other videos, but very briefly. Let's see. These are some of my top favorites from Amazon. There's one more brush. It's like a big flat one with a green handle. I just don't have it with me at the moment. But we have the size 12 up here. The half with the little tip. And then the little tiny one is a size 4. And they are all by the Princeton Neptune series. Really enjoy these brushes. They are very close to the real thing, but if you didn't want to use animal hair for various reasons, these are vegan and synthetic. And if you like these types of water brushes, this was 3 in a set from Amazon. These are the Ohuhu brand. And my tip is pretty dirty, but they just get stained with time. And I'm pretty sure, I think it was 2 big ones and a small one that came in the set of 3. I've been using that a lot on the go. I do have other art palettes, but from Amazon only. The Tropicals one here is a top favorite. I have a couple slipped in here that are just extras, but it's your basic rainbow set, so you'll have plenty of colors to complete your artwork without having to fish for a different set. And this one is much bigger. A lot of people know about this set, and I always recommend it. The Pretty Excellent. Mine is definitely well loved. I use that a lot. These are probably my top 2 from Amazon that I would recommend, with the hook. And I really enjoy that minty green. I like the White Nights paint a lot as well, but they're definitely cheaper if you get them from Jackson's Art. And then for a journal, favorite journal from Amazon would be the Pentalic. As you can see, it's embossed there. This has that nice heavy fake leather binding on it. There's lots of pages in there. And then you have like a pocket in here too as well. This held up really well. There's a little bit of warping, but not too much. And then a good elastic there. This waterproof, these little ink pens I use a lot. I have some from Amazon and then some from Jackson's. I'll link these below as well. They come in all different sizes. Sometimes you can buy them in sets if you wanted multiple ones, depending on how much line work you do. And let's Derwent sketching. I always use these types of pencils and your regular 2B. Also from Amazon, I've been really enjoying this set that was sent to me. This is your standard acrylic paint by Amuki. Comes with that little palette here. The little palette knife in it was really nice. And this brush was really soft. I've been enjoying using that. These are similar to craft brushes. This one, the quality was a little bit higher. There's a bunch of colors to choose from, which is great. This is something I would definitely recommend for beginners. So there was that from Amazon as well. And if you've been following me for a while, or if you follow me on Instagram, the background that I always shoot on, it looks like wood, and there's two different designs, like one's on the front, one's on the back. That I got off Amazon a while ago, probably almost a year ago. I absolutely love that, but the seller isn't there anymore. So if I could find something similar with positive reviews, I will link it below. And last but not least, I have a tripod that I'm going to show here. And this right here, sorry if it's a little shaky because I had to take it off. The bottom is banged up a little bit. That's definitely from me because I've been using this. Just a standard tripod, but the reason why I bought it is because this will hold a small iPad. This part is padded here, that's why it's a little scratched. But this will stretch up. That one piece comes off right there. It'll swivel and then go the opposite way. So it goes a few different directions. This piece moves too. Then of course you have your handle over there. So again, it'll fit a camera, an iPad, or your cell phone, which is awesome. So you can do a bunch of different things there with that. It's not the tallest tripod in the world. So for me, I am really short, so that doesn't really matter. But I think if you were a really tall person, and yeah, depending on, like, you didn't want to be hunched over all the time, I would just double check the sizing. But other than that, it's really great, and I've been using it a lot. And one more Amazon favorite that I forgot about is this iPad holder. It has the little wristlet thing right there. I mean, mine's definitely a little beat. I use my stuff a lot. But it has the magnetic flap right there. And then there's like this nice faux suede interior. It'll actually hold it and keep it in there so it doesn't fall out. And I didn't even realize with this, it actually has like this little stretchy piece here. And then you can slip in some money or cards in through here and an ID, which is really cool as well. I plan on breaking this video up into a few different sections because I definitely have a lot of stuff from Amazon. So you can stay tuned for that. This will be part 1. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.